giant dogs. So 4 or 5, one of the two giant, couple of dogs. Get on yes. To the north. Barcelona. Come here to Vilafranca de Parles to celebrate the giant carrier, so I'll be around again. It's now going very, very fast. In Vilafranca de Parles, Catalonia 2012.